What's up guys, here's Claudia from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the WordPress media settings, okay? So it's a beginner's guide to understand how it works and how to make use of this in order to use the settings on your favor and on your WordPress website favor, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, okay? And once you're right here, you're gonna view the left sidebar of menus on your site, okay? Here is all the menus to manage your site. Scroll it down just a little bit. Of course, the amount of menus may change according to the theme that you are using, the plugins that you have active, okay? But you always gonna have this one right here, the settings, okay? The settings menu. Hover your mouse over it and click on media, okay? Just right here. And from here, you're gonna see the image size upload defaults, okay? So the size from thumbnail size, medium size, large size, and the uploading files style. So we can crop the thumbnails to exactly dimensions. Normally thumbnails are proportional, okay? So normal. So here is the thumbnail size. You can customize this in the case that you want. You can make this change right here in the case that you prefer. You can type the numbers for thumbnail, for medium size, and for large size, and of course you have full size option. I'm gonna explain this later. And this is the most important setting, okay? This is one of the things that you most do when you are starting your WordPress website, when the site is new, have not much content. It's one of the first settings you have to do, okay? It's very simple. There's not a lot of things to do right here, but this is very important. Organize my uploads into month and year based folders, okay? So if you go to your file manager, into your cPanel, into your FTP, into the host access, okay? You're gonna be able to see into your WP contents all the files organized by year where they were uploaded, and inside year the month that they were uploaded, okay? So it helps to keep your database organized, okay? So make sure that you have this setting marked, and after doing your change, save change. And how does the thumb, medium, and large affect your site? Let me show you one example. Let me go to one of my posts, for example. From the post, let me open the posts editor. And right here, imagine that I would like to upload an image, okay? So let me just apply an image block right here. Let me select an image from my media library. I would like to try with this image right here. As we can see, this image have the full widget size that is 1920 and 1080, okay? So this is the full widget size, okay? Let me insert this to the post, and now can you see this little editor that appears from the right sidebar of my WordPress? I have block, styles, settings, image size. Can you see right here we have the thumbnail 150, the medium 300, the large size. Where are these sizes coming from? It's coming from here, the image size media settings. You can preset the size that you need for your image by default. When you upload an image on your site, it used to came from the large size, but you always can change this to the full size. So as you can see, now it have the image original dimensions. But you can change this in the way that you want to make it better for you. Just remember, if you are using a too big image into a small area of your site, it can decrease the page loads and isn't really needed, because you're gonna be able to show the image real quality. So if you only have a small block, a small area of your site to display the image, I recommend that you try the medium, you try the thumbnail, depends on your needs, okay? So do not overuse the image. This can decrease your site load speed, make the page too big, too hard to load, and decrease your SEO, okay? So this is why the media settings uploads are important, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com website. Don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin. It's completely free. You can download it on your site dashboard directly on WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new. Search for Borders. You're gonna gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WP Bakery, or Gutenberg editor, okay? Moreover, in the case that you are in need of the best free WordPress theme, go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Anzu, click on install and activate it. You're gonna be amazed about how many features this theme offers for free. Moreover, in the case that you want to run a blog, if you run a blog and would like to connect with a bigger blogger community in order to receive guest posts, to publish guest posts in other sites, in order to connect with people, just list your site like all of those bloggers right here did into the growth.net. Can you see? With 3 W's, it's submitting your site for free. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium in order to save your time while doing your site, counting on our full support, unlocking access to our templates library that are pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and go premium. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!